What if I told you that millionaires follow a secret code every single day? A pattern so powerful that it almost guarantees their success, while most people remain stuck, unaware of what they're missing. The truth is, wealth isn't just about luck or working harder. It's about thinking and acting in a way that naturally attracts money. And here's the shocking part. You might not even realize you're sabotaging your financial future by ignoring these habits. Today, I'm breaking down 7 powerful things the rich do every day that most people never even think about. Once you understand them, financial success becomes inevitable. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's one habit you believe is holding you back from wealth? And if you're serious about upgrading your mindset and unlocking true abundance, make sure to subscribe right now, because this is where your journey to financial success begins. Most people wake up and immediately flood their minds with stress, checking messages, scrolling through social media, or thinking about problems. But millionaires? They start their day with intention. Before they do anything, they prime their minds for success. They understand that the first thoughts of the day set the tone for everything that follows. If you wake up thinking about lack, struggle, or stress, that's exactly what you'll attract. But if you wake up focusing on abundance, opportunity, and clarity, your entire day shifts. This isn't just motivation, it's science. Your brain is constantly looking for proof of what you believe. Millionaires program their minds to see possibilities where others see obstacles. And the best part? You can do this too. Tomorrow morning, before reaching for your phone, take 5 minutes to visualize the wealth you want. Not just numbers in your bank account, but the lifestyle, the freedom, the confidence. Feel it as if it's already yours. This simple habit rewires your brain to recognize and act on opportunities that bring you closer to your goals. The rich don't leave their mindset to chance, and neither should you. Try it for 1 week and watch what happens. If you're ready to take control of your mornings and start thinking like a millionaire, comment below. I choose abundance. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Think about that for a second. If you're constantly surrounded by people who complain about money, make excuses, or settle for less, it's almost impossible to break free from that mindset. Millionaires understand this, which is why they carefully choose who they allow into their inner circle. They surround themselves with people who challenge them, inspire them, and push them to think bigger. Look at the world's most successful people. Warren Buffett and Bill Gates have been close friends for decades, constantly exchanging ideas. Elon Musk spends time with visionaries who think on a massive scale. They don't waste time in conversations that drain their energy or limit their potential. They seek out people who force them to level up. And here's the good news. Even if you don't have millionaire mentors in your life yet, you can start today by curating what you consume. Listen to successful people, read their books, watch their interviews, absorb their mindset. Your network isn't just who you know. It's what you allow into your mind every day. Take a hard look at your circle. Are the people around you pushing you towards success, or are they keeping you stuck? If you know it's time to upgrade your environment, start now. Comment "level up" below if you're ready to build a millionaire network. Wealthy people never stop learning about money. They don't just work for it. They study it, understand it, and master it. That's why 88% of self-made millionaires read for at least 30 minutes a day, not for entertainment, but to expand their financial knowledge. They know that money follows those who understand how it works. They read books on investing, mindset, business, and personal growth because they see knowledge as an investment that pays for itself over and over again. Meanwhile, most people spend their free time consuming distractions, endless scrolling, mindless entertainment, news that fuels fear instead of opportunity, and then they wonder why nothing changes. The difference is simple. Millionaires feed their minds with information that makes them richer, while the average person consumes content that keeps them stuck. You don't need to spend hours reading. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Pick up a book like Think and Grow Rich, The Psychology of Money, or Rich Dad Poor Dad. Listen to an audiobook while driving. Fill your mind with wealth, and you'll start seeing financial opportunities everywhere. The question is, are you feeding your mind the right information? If you're ready to commit to learning about money every day, type "I choose wealth" in the comments. Most people wake up and immediately go into consumption mode, checking emails, scrolling social media, watching the news. But millionaires? They do the opposite. They create before they consume. They use their best mental energy to build, strategize, and produce something of value before letting outside distractions take over. Because they know that wealth isn't made by consuming, it's made by creating. Think about it. Every business, every invention, every breakthrough that made someone rich started with creation. A new idea, a new product, a new strategy. But the average person spends their time reacting instead of creating. They wake up and let the world dictate their focus, filling their minds with other people's content, other people's problems, other people's priorities. And that's exactly why they stay stuck. Tomorrow morning, before checking your phone or opening your inbox, take 10 minutes to create something. Write down your goals, brainstorm a business idea, strategize your next move. Even if you don't know where to start, train yourself to produce value before you consume. This one shift can rewire your brain for success. If you're ready to create your own wealth instead of just watching others do it, type "I create" in the comments. If you don't control your time, someone else will. That's why millionaires treat their time like their most valuable asset, because it is. They don't waste hours on distractions, meaningless tasks, or letting other people's priorities take over their day. Every minute has a purpose, and they focus on what truly moves them forward. Meanwhile, most people live in reaction mode, answering emails all day, saying yes to things that don't serve them, spending hours on social media without even realizing it. Then they wonder why they feel stuck, exhausted, and unproductive. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy, and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Millionaires know that success isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things. That's why they plan their day with intention. They don't start the morning asking, "What do I have to do today?" They already know their top priority before the day even begins. They make sure their most important tasks, the ones that build wealth, create opportunities, and bring results, get done first. Everything else is secondary. Tonight, before you go to bed, write down the one thing you must accomplish tomorrow that will move you closer to your goals. Then do it first. Protect your time like millionaires do, because if you don't, someone else will use it for you. If you're ready to take control of your time and start living on your terms, type "I own my time" in the comments. Most people fail before they even start, not because they lack skills, but because they don't believe they can succeed. Millionaires think differently. They train their minds to expect success even before they see results. This isn't arrogance. It's a mindset shift that changes everything. When you truly believe you're capable of wealth, you take bigger risks, see more opportunities, and refuse to quit when things get tough. But when you doubt yourself, you hesitate, play small, and let fear control your actions. That's the difference between those who make millions and those who stay stuck. Look at anyone who built massive success: Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. They all faced rejection, failure, and setbacks. The difference? They never let doubt win. They saw themselves as successful before the world did, and that belief drove them forward. You have to do the same. Stop waiting for proof. Stop waiting for someone to validate you. Decide right now that you are worthy of success, that you are capable of building wealth, and that nothing will stop you. Every day, tell yourself, "I am worthy of wealth. Money flows to me easily. I create my own success." Say it until you believe it, because the moment you do, everything starts to change. If you're ready to step into this millionaire mindset, type "I am ready" in the comments. The rich don't just work for money, they make money work for them. That's because they understand one simple rule. Wealth comes from owning assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Millionaires focus on buying things that grow in value: stocks, businesses, real estate, investments that generate income. Meanwhile, most people spend their money on things that drain their wealth: cars, gadgets, expensive clothes, things that lose value the moment they buy them. Then they wonder why they're always struggling financially. The difference is mindset. The average person asks, "How much does this cost?" A millionaire asks, "How much will this make me?" They think long-term, making decisions today that will pay off for years. That's why their wealth keeps growing, while most people stay stuck in a cycle of spending and debt. The good news? You can start small. Even if it's just $10 invested in stocks, a course to build your skills, or starting a side business, the key is to put your money where it grows. Because every dollar you invest in assets moves you closer to financial freedom. So ask yourself, are you spending like the rich or like the broke? If you're ready to shift your mindset and start building real wealth, type "I invest in my future" in the comments. Now that you know the 7 daily habits of millionaires, the question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Because knowing isn't enough. Action is what separates those who succeed from those who stay stuck. Start with just one habit today. Wake up with intention, build a powerful network, invest in your future. Small changes create massive results over time. But the key is to start now. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another lesson on building wealth. And share this with someone who needs to hear it, because success isn't just for a few, it's for those who decide to claim it. Drop a comment below and tell me, which millionaire habit are you starting today? I'll be reading every response. Now go take action. Your future self is waiting.